Hey Goddess Babes! In today's video, we're going to be making some press on nails without using acrylic. First, we're gonna fit your nails sidewall to sidewall. Now grab your nail drill to remove the shine off the fakes.
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for a nigga so cheap. And your flex OD, your sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got it.
Now cure your nails for 60 seconds using your UV nail lamp.
Banging, now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM, looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they styling. Blue to put the 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin'. Yeah, you got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it.
No, baby, in a bag, in a Birkin. No, not a vibe, put the work in.
Apply a thin layer of gel top coat. This just so happens to be my favorite.
I love them all, to me you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, get you my last name. You know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby you
got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
You're the only one I'm tryna make love to. Picking and choosing. Hey, really love you. Running game, you know what I'm saying? All your stupid exes, they gon' fall again. Tell them that a real nigga stepping in. Don't let them niggas try you. Test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debate. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no game.
Now this is one of the most important steps to ensure your nails last longer than 2 weeks, which is the natural nail prep for your natural nails.
Play no games, fuck around, get you my last name. You know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you
got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
I don't wanna, yeah.
Play no games. Freaky. I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like pearland, sweet like peach. Like that. I could tell you crazy, but she kinda intrigue me. Yeah, like that. Seen it on the gram, tryna see that shit in 3D, mommy. I know I get around cause I like to move freely. But you can lock it down, I can tell by how you treat me. Seen how you did, homeboy, so please take it easy. Good to have me on your side, I ain't saying that you need me. Yeah. 6 got talk, but I ain't tryna get preachy. No, no. Seen how you did, homeboy, please take it easier on me. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. I don't wanna play no games, play no games.
bounce, here we go.
Bitches mad that he getting me wetter. Damn, I ain't for this way forever.
Touch, can you play that again?
I'm tryna see how a baddie gon' grow what she like. Don't go 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 what she like. So what's your sign? 'Cause I like you. Don't go what she like. So what's your sign? 'Cause I like you. Got a place we can stay for the, stay for the, stay for the place we can stay for the, stay for the, stay for the.